Hi guys, this is the initial video to help us improve our grammar and help us find our collegiate voice so we can become better writers. This video will focus on creating simple sentences and subject-verb agreement. A simple sentence is simply one independent clause, meaning a clause that can stand by itself. It has one subject or noun and one predicate or verb. Look at the example of a simple sentence below. Suzanne Collins is the author of the Hunger Games series. See if you can identify the subject and the predicate. Notice that the highlighted yellow is the subject or noun, and the highlighted green is the predicate or verb. If you got these correct, great job. So here are some errors that I've noticed in the past that I want to kind of address before we get into really writing and composing our essays. We have to keep an eye out for subject-verb agreement. And I know that this might sound a little elementary to some. However, when we get into writing complex sentences and compound complex sentences, this is where it gets a little hairy. Sometimes you'll also see errors when there's a prepositional phrase, and we might try to make the verb agree with the object of the preposition, and that's something I'll get into in the next video. However, it's something that I want you to start being aware of. If the subject is singular, the verb has to be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural, and we'll be able to exercise this for homework tonight. Just take a minute to look at this chart, because when you're doing your homework tonight, you'll have to utilize these different conjugations. And no, they're not hard, but where we get caught up is with the he charts. Okay, so if you look at the third one down on the simple present section of this basic verb conjugation, I just want you to remember that you have to put that S on there, okay? And then, with a regular past tense verb, if you look at the bottom part, the regular simple past tense verb is ed, okay? So take note of that. I also want you to look at the conjugation of the verb to be. I know you know this verb from your Spanish class or your French class, and maybe even your Latin class. I know it's an irregular verb in those classes also. So take a look at it here. I am, he, she is, you, they are, they do. Okay, so just take a look at that and see how you need to adjust your writing to ensure that you have the correct conjugation of the verb to be. And that's it. So you made it through your first video to sharpen your grammar skills. Awesome. So you have homework tonight. I want you to navigate back to the class website, complete the homework assignment. Don't forget to submit it on time. It's going to be submitted via Google Classroom, and take the time to go back and check if you're not sure. Either listen to this video again or double check a verb conjugation chart. Just make this easy, because this is the easy stuff that you can do to keep your grade up. Have a great day, guys.